Hi, in this video we're going to go over how to do a Pennsylvania background check. So to get started, visit pennsylvaniapublicrecords.org. I will leave a link in the description. You can click on that or just type it into your browser. On the home page you will notice a multitude of databases. They're alphabetized. These are public resources in Pennsylvania. So depending on what your background check is about, there could be things of use to you. Now, we have also created a page specifically to the most sought after records. And so in this case, we're going to look at the background check page. What you'll notice here are statewide tools available to you. Anything from court records to deeds, mortgages, criminal history, patch system, prison records, sex offender registry, things like that. Then if you scroll down, you also have resources available to you at the county level. So in certain situations, depending again on what the background check is about, it might be worthwhile to look into records at the county level. For example, in certain cases, maybe court records or maybe jail information at the sheriff's department. So these are your options here. We also have some pages like criminal records, court records. If you hover over other records, you'll find multiple other pages that also could be useful. Again, depending on why you're doing the background check and what it's for, there are many uses for one. So these might be also useful. Another thing to consider is using the name search box on top of the page here. Now this uses both public and private records, and it doesn't just look at county or state of Pennsylvania records. It goes outside the state also, so it pulls records from multiple states, multiple databases. For example, why this could be useful? Well, first of all, it's fast. It's a single search system. It's instantaneous, and it will also, like, let's say, for example, if you're just checking a criminal record in the state of Pennsylvania or a particular county, but the person might have had a criminal past somewhere in Texas or in Tennessee, and now they decided to move to Pennsylvania, you're not necessarily going to see that record. So to make sure you have your bases covered, you're looking at more information. People do move around all the time. It's a good idea to use the tool together with the public resources you have to get the most out of your search, the most details, the most information. And another thing is it also has access to certain private databases, things like cell phone information, email records, previous addresses, and loads and loads and loads of different types of databases. So using both in combination is definitely going to make your background check search in Pennsylvania much better. Just one thing to consider, records do originate at the county, at the state level. That's where they're most up to date and the most accurate, but do keep in mind that they are restricted to a specific location, and so you could potentially be missing out on something. So once again, that's pennsylvaniapublicrecords.org. I will leave a link in the description or just type it into your browser. Come on down and get started on your Pennsylvania background check. Thank you.